Hello and welcome to the eMedNY computer-based training series for New York State Medicaid providers. This video is part of our New Provider, New Biller series of tutorials. The purpose of this session is to familiarize providers on how to utilize the New York State Department of Health's Medicaid Update website. During this video, we will provide an introduction to what is the Medicaid Update, offer methods of accessing the Medicaid Update, instruct you on how to complete a search on the Medicaid Update website, guide you on the different options for viewing the issues, and enable you to receive the monthly Medicaid Update newsletters directly to your inbox. The Medicaid Update is a monthly newsletter published by the New York State Department of Health, also known as the DOH. The Medicaid Update is where you'll find the most recent policy and billing changes, reminders, and news provided by the Department of Health. The publication is searchable by provider type and topic. There are many ways to access the Medicaid Update. We'll review two of those options with you. The first is to use the Medicaid Update button on the emedny.org website. Start by navigating your browser to www.emedny.org. Then select the Medicaid Updates button located on the bottom right of the eMedNY homepage. Another option is to use the Medicaid Update link found in every provider manual on the emedny.org website. Again, navigate to the emedny.org website, hover over the Provider Manuals tab, then click on the Provider Manuals link. After choosing your provider type, you'll notice over on the right side of the web page the DOH Medicaid Update website link found in every provider manual on the emedny.org website. You'll just click on that link. You'll arrive at the Department of Health Medicaid Update landing page using either one of these methods. You now have three options of how you'll search within the Medicaid Update. Your first option is to search by All Medicaid Update Issues. You'll type in your topic in the field labeled Search All Medicaid Update Issues, then click on Search. You'll then be provided a list of documents that contain the words or phrases you entered in the search field. Your second option is to search by Medicaid Update Topics A to Z. You'll click on the first letter of the word you are searching for, then look through the list to find the topic that starts with the letter you chose. You also have a third option to search by issue date if that information was provided to you. You'll choose the year of the archived issue you want to refer to, then find the month of the issue and navigate to the specific topic you're looking for. The Medicaid Update issues are provided in three formats: a web version, an interactive PDF version, and a printer-ready PDF version. The web version features quick hyperlinks to each article. Just click on the article you'd like to read, and it will be provided to you. The issues can be read in the interactive PDF version, which is a full-color newsletter that may contain additional content. You also have the option of choosing a printer-ready PDF version, which features the ability to print each article. Each new issue of the Medicaid Update newsletter is announced by email using the Medicaid Update listserv. If readers want to sign up for the Medicaid Update listserv, just email the request to medicaidupdate@health.ny.gov. The Medicaid Update will be sent to you monthly to the email address of your choice. This version of the Medicaid Update features hyperlinks, which will take you to the web version of each article. You can refer back to the eMedNY website or the Medicaid Update newsletter homepage for more information, or call the eMedNY call center at 1-800-343-9000 for assistance with any of this information. For additional ways to stay informed, refer to our Keeping Up to Date video on the Provider Outreach and Training page at emedny.org. This concludes our tutorial on keeping up to date with the Medicaid Update. Thank you for joining us, and please visit us at www.emedny.org for additional training resources.